how do you keep the interest of a child as young as 11 in your program to teach them finances?
Everything that we do is a game, and it's a competitive game, so they love it even more.
I invested in this one stock.
Meet 13-year-old Veronica. She started learning about investing in March 2020. 1 year later, she still finds it liberating.
And I kept hearing throughout the program bits and pieces about, stocks and the stock market, and that's where my interest for stocks kind of ignited.